Hi, I'm Cap Sam. Are you confused about dividing square roots with using the conjugate? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. So let's take a look at a problem that is dividing, and it looks like that. You might remember that you're not allowed to have an irrational number like the square root of 7 in the denominator, and we need to get rid of that. One way to do that is to multiply by a form of 1. That'll clear that out. And you might be thinking the square root of 7 is the option here, but that's not going to work. Instead, let's remember that using the conjugate, multiplying conjugates, allows you to get a rational number. So I'm going to multiply by a form of 1 that is the conjugate. Let's put some parentheses in here. And then I'm going to distribute on the top. So I'm going to get 6 plus 3 square roots of 7. And then we saw when you multiply conjugates, you can look at the first term, you can look at the last term, and you get that. So that would be -3. And then you can see that there's a common factor here of 3 that reduces. And so my final answer is going to be -2 minus the square root of 7. Mr. Ray, would you like to do another example?
Yeah, that'd be great. I'd like to do another example. So let's take a look at 2 plus the square root of 2 over 5 minus the square root of 2. So as Cap Sam mentioned in the first example, we're going to go ahead and use the conjugate of our denominator as a form of 1 to help us finish this example. So we're going to add some parentheses here, and when we go ahead and do our distribution, we're going to end up with 10 plus 2 square roots of 2 plus 5 square roots of 2 plus 2 all over our denominator, which will become 25 minus 2. When we go ahead and combine all of our like terms, we're going to end up with 12 plus 7 square roots of 2 all over 23. And if we do a quick check, we realize there's something else there that we can simplify. So we're going to go ahead and do a try. So when I get this problem up here, if you want to pause and then see if you can do the work on your own, and you can then unpause to check to see if you got the answer correct. So for the try, let's go ahead and look at 1 minus the square root of 3 over 5 plus the square root of 3. So when you're ready, go ahead and pause the video, and when you come back, we'll see if you can get the correct answer. So, did you get 4 minus 3 square roots of 3 over 11? Hopefully you did. So, if you were confused about dividing square roots using the conjugate, we hope you found yourself in the right place.